Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max. Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max.
Max and Ruby.
Ruby and her little brother Max.
Max and Ruby! Max cleans up. Max, it's time to clean up. There's a place for everything, and everything has a place. We can clean this up for a start. Your rock crusher dump truck goes outside in the sandbox, Max. Books go in the bookcase. Your bedtime books are nearly all cleaned up, Max. That's the last one. A place for everything and everything in its place. I've stepped on something sticky. That's disgusting. Wonder bubbles go into the rubbish, Max. And now let's see what's under your bed. Aha! Your ant farm ants have escaped, Max. Back home they go. Now you know where all your wind-up robots are. What's that smell? Max, something is in your underwear drawer that should not be there. Ew. Bad egg, Max. Into the trash bucket it goes. What else do you have in here? oozing out from under your cupboard door. Your popsicle has melted all over your quack quack duck, Max. It's a good thing I'm here to clean up with you, Max. At least all your wind-up bugs are in their bug box. Put your bugs with the rest of your wind-up toys, Max. I'll make your bed. Your pillow is in your toy chest and your toys are in your bed. No gum on a string, Max. Into the bucket it goes. There. Now pay close attention, Max, because our work is almost done. Look, Max, your room is all cleaned up. Oh, I guess I missed some. Doesn't your room look nice now, Max? Max? What's in your pocket?
Everything.
Max's Cuckoo Clock.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
That's Baby Huffington's favorite toy, Cuckoo Clock, Max. Every time the two hands come up to the top of the clock, it goes cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
I know you like the Cuckoo Clock, Max, but we're not here to play. We're here to help Mrs. Huffington.
Okay, Ruby, it's time for my garden tea party guests to arrive. And it's also time for Baby Huffington's nap.
And it's my job to put him to sleep.
That would be a great help.
Cuckoo.
Now you're sure you'll be able to manage, Ruby?
You can count on me, Mrs. Huffington. Where's Baby Huffington?
He's in his room, but I don't think he's asleep yet.
Well, he will be when I'm finished with him.
Thanks, Ruby. I'll be right out back if you need me. Ta-ta!
Well, Max, we'd better go do our job. Max?
Cuckoo.
Max? You can't play with the Cuckoo Clock. We have to put Baby Huffington to sleep. The cuckoo clock will just wake him up. Come on, you can help me. Hello, Baby Huffington. Do you know what time it is? It's nap time. That's right. And we're here to make sure you go to sleep. Right, Max? Max?
Cuckoo.
Max? No cuckoo clock. Come up here where I can keep an eye on you. I know just what to do to put a baby to sleep. I'll read a nap time story. First, you have to lie down. Good. Then I'll tuck you in nice and snug. There. Let's see. Aha! In all these books, there has to be a good nap time story. Perfect! Nap time for Bunny. It was Baby Bunny's nap time, and Baby Bunny was very, very sleepy. Just like you. In fact, Baby Bunny was so sleepy, he just couldn't keep his eyes open. What are you doing up?
Cuckoo.
Max, you can't play with the cuckoo clock, especially in here. It's Baby Huffington's nap time, and the cuckoo clock will make too much noise. We have to be very, very quiet. Let's just put this up here where little brother bunnies can't reach it and go back to our nap time story. Come over here, Max, and help me put Baby Huffington to sleep. You sit here and listen quietly, okay? Now you lie down again. And I'll tuck you in nice and snug. Then I'll read you more of the story. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. Baby Bunny was so sleepy, he just couldn't keep his eyes open. So he lay down in his bed and snuggled up under the blankets. And he yawned a great big yawn. That felt so good, he thought.
Cuckoo.
Max, what are you doing? There's only one way to make sure you don't play with this cuckoo clock. I'm going to put the cuckoo clock on one side of me and you on the other. That way I'll be able to keep my eye on you and the clock at the same time. There. Now, Baby Huffington, it's way past your nap time. What am I going to do with you? I know. I'll sing you a lullaby. Now you lie down again. There. Lullabies are made for putting babies to sleep. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little bunny. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Now that sleepy time is here. Oh dear! What am I going to do?
Cuckoo.
Max, with all this cuckooing, I'll never get Baby Huffington to sleep. Oh, look! sleeping like a baby.
I just thought I'd check and see how... Oh, I see you've discovered the secret to putting Baby Huffington to sleep.
Cuckoo. Ruby's jewelry box.
So beautiful. Even more beautiful. There it is. The most beautiful. Max, you know you're not allowed to look in my special jewelry box. See this Queen of the Nile emerald? It's going to be the center stone in the Princess Cleopatra tiara Louise and I are making. Max. Not my special jewelry box. Come on. You go play with your own toys while I finish my tiara with Louise. We'll be in the living room if you need us.
Perfect.
Look, Louise. This is my Queen of the Nile emerald. Won't it look exotic in the center of our tiara?
It's beautiful, Ruby. Oh. What we need is some glue to stick it on.
Oh, I'll have to go back upstairs for it.
Okay, I'll put some tinfoil on the crown while you're gone.
Whoops! Max! What are you doing? That's my special jewelry box in my room. You have to keep out. And your toys, too. Okay, Max? I think what we need is a keep out sign. There. Now I'll just tape it on the door. This is my room, Max. And this is a keep out sign, all right? All right? Oh no! I nearly forgot the glue. Max! Didn't you see the keep out sign? Well, what does it say? It says no, and this means you. Here, I'll read it for you. No, this means you. All right, Max? All right, now back to your own room. Play with your own toys, Max.
Ruby! I finished putting the tinfoil on the crown. Hurry!
Okay, I'll be right down. Look, there's your favorite rock crusher dump truck. You love that truck. Glue.
It took you a long time to get that glue.
I'm sorry, Louise. I had to make a sign to keep Max out of my room.
Little brothers.
How does our Princess Cleopatra tiara look?
It's going to be positively luxurious. You know what we really need? Some sparkles.
You're absolutely right, Louise. I'll go get some. Get down, Max. Did you forget about the keep out sign, Max? It says no. This means you. I'll put the stool back in the bathroom, where it belongs. And you go back to your room, where you belong. You have a room full of toys to play with, Max. You don't need to look in my special jewelry box. Sparkles! Remember, Max? No, this means you.
Finally!
I can't wait to see how these sparkles look on our tiara.
I think Princess Cleopatra will approve.
Me too.
What was that?
Max! Oh, Max! Look what you've done! What does the keep out sign say?
No.
That's right, Max. And who does it mean?
You!